Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my completion review of the diamond painting below. Here is the original thumbnail. It's of these roses. And I called this Pink Roses. This is from Fansells. It was $6.95 when I bought it. It's advertised as a 45 by 55, but it's closer to a 40 by 50. It is a poured glue canvas with round drills. There were no DMCs. There were 22 colors in all, and this took me 5 days to complete. So, yeah, here it is. Yeah, on screen, I don't think it looks that bad, but in real life, is it focusing? Focus. And yeah, on screen, I don't think it looks that bad, but in real life, it is, I think, very pixelated. I I think it could have been better. Like a 40 by 50 is not a tiny diamond painting. I mean, it's not a 30 by 40, so I feel like it could have been better for the size. So like the flowers itself don't look that bad. It's this bottom section here, the part that's supposed to be the vase, like it's not well defined. Like here is the original image and with a vase. And I think what messes up how it's rendered is the fact that there's this ribbon on the picture and the table is white also. So there just was not enough for whatever the computer rendering software is to do the contrast between the table and the vase. Like looking at it really close, it's really, really pixelated. I mean, I think there's supposed to be like is that a napkin? Or no, it's a book right there. And then there's supposed to be a teacup right there. And I mean, you could kind of tell what it is. Like, I think this is one of the ones that you really do have to look far away. But I'm not happy at all with how this turned out. I feel like if I had bought this on AliExpress with the same size, it would have had like, from like Huracan or something, it would have had like 40 colors or something, and it would have turned out way better. So I don't know. I haven't really been doing that many rounds, I guess, in 40 by 50 that is this detailed. So maybe if this was a square, it would be better. But I think there was just too few colors. And I think if I had gotten the same image in on like AliExpress or something that had like 40 colors, I think this would have turned out much better. So I don't think it's the size. I think it's just the lack of colors that has made this. I'm just not happy with the level of detail. But it's finished, and I'm just gonna go put it into my portfolio book because, it's like, But yeah, oh, I also am unhappy that there were no DMCs in this. So although I wasn't a big fan how it was rendered, I thought the drills were of pretty good quality. So I'm kind of sad that there's no DMCs. So now I don't know what I'm just gonna put them in my pile of things with no DMCs. I also didn't like that the two biggest colors were pretty much the same symbol, just in a different orientation. I mean, it's a V and a greater than symbol, but if you turn your canvas around, it might get confusing. And then I also wrote down that the D symbol was pretty hard to read. It was black writing with a really dark background. But yeah, like I said, it's done. I'm not gonna be displaying this anywhere since it's just one of those. So the one good thing is I actually just enjoy diamond painting for diamond painting's sake. So even when something doesn't turn out as good as you would hope, I usually still finish it because I actually do enjoy just the diamond painting process itself. I mean, the how it turns out is a bonus, and it's also a good motivator to keep going how it's turning out. But this one was simple enough that I just kept going, even when it wasn't turning out as good as I wanted. So yeah, and I think I had this kitted up so long that I was like, I might as well just finish it. But I think if this was an expensive diamond painting or something, I would be very, very unhappy. I mean, this cost me only $6.95. And it was one of my earlier diamond paintings that I bought. So I wasn't too saddened that it didn't turn out, but I kind of feel like it should have. Like 40 by 50 is plenty, I think, big enough for this to have been a better picture. So that's the one problem also buying from Fansells. Like someone else could have bought this from Fansells also, but it was manufactured by someone else. So that's like, if you buy from places like Fansells, where they get their diamond paintings is different. Like I could buy this same image today and I might get a completely different rendering with different amount of colors and different colors. Or I feel like I bought this because I saw this in someone's unboxing, and I swear, because I'm not a big fan of diamond paintings with no DMCs, so because I keep all my drills. So I feel like when I saw someone unbox this, I don't know who, I'm sorry, like at some point I went crazy on YouTube and watched like lots and lots of unboxings, but I feel like when I saw someone unbox this, from Fansells, they had DMC numbers, so then I bought it almost immediately after I saw the unboxing, and it wasn't like an old unboxing, it was pretty much immediately after they put up the video. And then I got it and I didn't have DMC numbers, so it just shows that maybe the same image that's being advertised on Fansells, someone else might have a good experience with it because maybe theirs was manufactured and it had like 30 colors or something, and just the extra colors probably would have made a difference in this. I'm thinking, like, I feel with just 22 colors, this was just too few. So that's the problem sometimes getting from sites like Fansells, where they buy, I'm guessing they just buy the excess from different companies and then they sell them. So the fact that they're getting it from different places just means that the quality is kind of not questionable, but like, I'm trying to think of the word, like it could be varying. The quality could be varying. Like you could have one that you got from Fansells and it turned out awesome, and then you could get another one from Fansells and it didn't turn out awesome. So, yeah. Okay. I have already taped together 2 pieces of what they call this, construction paper. So yeah, I just got 2 pieces of 12 by 18 construction paper. I taped them together to make an 18 by 24 inch. So I could kind of see the black, the black outline that they put into diamond paintings. I don't know why, because you can't put the drills in place exactly. Or should I even care? It's not like this one's a work of art. Okay, I'm being mean to it. I do like the canvas that this thing is on, though. It's very soft, and I don't like the stiff canvases because I feel like they never lay flat. So it always annoys me when a diamond painting has the really stiff canvas, because yeah, I feel like no matter what I do, it's just never going to lay flat. So, but this one, it's a soft canvas. And I don't mean soft in the back. Like, I don't really care about that whole, like, ooh, let's feel the nice soft back of the canvas. I just like that it's a more soft canvas, as in that it'll lay flat right away. So that's one good thing for this. And I think if it wasn't for how this looks at the end, I would have been really happy with this because the drills were good quality. I like the size. I think 40 by 50 is pretty much my go-to size now. Just because it's not ginormous, but it's not small either. So I'm just gonna eyeball it left and right here. Yeah, I could see the black, but I don't even think I care, just because I'm not a fan of how this turned out. It's just gonna be like, here, see, it's in the portfolio book. This is what happens when it doesn't turn out as well as you thought. Okay. Okay, I think that's centered. I moved it when I pushed it up. Who cares? Like I said, this is not going to ever get framed. It's just going to be a page in my portfolio book. But yeah, no, I'm also reluctant to sometimes buy from places like Fansells, just because of the DMC thing. For some reason, it makes me want to do the diamond painting less if there's no DMCs on it. Yeah, I don't know. That might just be a weird thing about me, because I keep all my drills and I put them away, and then when there's no DMC, you're looking at, like, I have a lot of extra drills on this, and I'm looking at them like, what am I gonna do with this? I mean, I guess I could do the whole, like, put them in a jar thing that people do, but every time I see those, I'm just like cry whenever I see people like get their drills and after they're done with the diamond painting and then just pour them into a jar and shake it. I don't know, for some reason it just bothers me. I'm weird, probably. Okay, heavy portfolio book. Okay. I've been wanting to buy a bigger one, but if there's ever a time I could find a bigger portfolio book, I would buy it. But I don't know, this thing is so super heavy already that I don't even know if it's possible for me to get, if I even want a bigger one, because yeah, this thing is so super heavy already. Okay. It's hanging off the edge of my table because it's just that big. Let's see. So yeah, I already have a diamond painting in the back here that I taped, and I used black paper. I've been kind of alternating between my black and white paper based off of the picture. I was just going to do all black, but I kind of feel like if you do the black background and you get a frame that's not black, it doesn't look nice. So I've been putting some with a white backing too, in case I ever do a framing. Not that I'm going to frame this one, but yeah, there it is in my art portfolio. And yeah, I'm still sad about how this turned out, but maybe someone else would like how it turned out. But yeah, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!